Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're looking for a way to increase your comfort when traveling, you definitely need to check this carry-on by roaming. This has been a game changer. There's many features I love about this carry-on. It's very spacious, very different from others I've had in the past. I love the compartment bags in the inside because it allows me to be more organized, and it even comes with a USB charging port. This is super convenient. It's also expandable, which allows you to fit everything you need. You're going to see that the zipper is very high quality. It's very secure just in case you overpack your carry-on, it's not going to burst open. I also like the fact that it comes with a TSA lock, which makes it very convenient. And of course, every time I'm at the airport, I always get my coffee. So I love the fact that it has a cup holder. It even comes with this plastic, which allows you to protect it from any dust or rain. And it comes with other very thoughtful accessories as well. So if you're looking for a luggage that's high quality, that varies in sizes and colors, definitely check this one out by roaming. I promise this carry on will not disappoint you. You are going to love it, and that is my point of view.